I was living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like life was slipping away a few years ago because I was stuck in a job that exhausted me. I was once introduced to a straightforward yet effective method by a friend: affirmations. At first, I wasn't convinced, but as I started using them frequently, my perspective started to shift. I began to attract chances I never imagined, and things became much better financially. This technique can bring the abundance and optimism you desire into your life. It can certainly do the same for you as it did for me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos.
Affirmations are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, often out loud. The idea is to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, creating a mindset that attracts good things. And it might sound too easy to be true, but the truth is, our thoughts shape our reality. By focusing on positive outcomes and speaking them into existence, you start to shift your energy and attract those outcomes. To use affirmations effectively, start by defining what you want to manifest. Whether it's financial success, improved health, or a loving relationship, having a clear goal is essential. Make it a habit to repeat your affirmations daily. You can do this while looking in the mirror, during meditation, or even on your commute. The key is consistency. The more you say these affirmations, the more they embed into your subconscious mind. Over time, you'll notice a change in your mindset, and this change will start to reflect in your reality. One of the most profound effects of affirmations is the development of a positive mindset. By focusing on positive statements, you train your brain to seek opportunities rather than obstacles. This shift in perspective can open up possibilities you never considered before. It's like tuning into a new frequency, one that attracts positivity and abundance. Belief in your affirmations is crucial. Initially, it might feel like you're just reciting words, but with persistence, you'll start to believe in them. This belief is a powerful catalyst that can magnify the impact of your affirmations. When you genuinely believe in the positive statements you're making, your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with your goals. Enhancing affirmations with visualization can be incredibly effective. As you repeat your affirmations, imagine yourself living the reality you desire. Picture the details, what you see, hear, and feel in that moment. Visualization adds an emotional layer that can make your affirmations even more powerful. It's like creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome and replaying it in your mind. Patience and persistence are key. Manifestation doesn't always happen overnight. There might be times when progress seems slow, but trust that the process is working behind the scenes. Keep your focus on your goals and continue your practice without letting doubt take over. Faith in the process is a vital part of bringing your desires into reality. Gratitude plays a significant role in manifestation. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you open yourself up to receiving more. Make it a daily practice to acknowledge and appreciate the good things in your life. No matter how small, gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, which is essential for manifesting your desires. Affirmations can help you overcome self-doubt and limiting beliefs. Often we hold ourselves back with negative thoughts about our abilities or worthiness. By consistently using affirmations that counter these limiting beliefs, you can break free from the mental barriers holding you back. Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable and deserving of success." Create a supportive environment for your affirmations. This could mean setting up a dedicated space in your home where you feel calm and focused, or simply having reminders around you, a note in your wallet, or a background on your phone. Visual or physical cues can help keep you aligned with your affirmations throughout the day. Celebrate your successes along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Acknowledge your achievements and use them as motivation to keep going. Celebrating your milestones reinforces your belief in the process and keeps your energy high, which is crucial for manifestation. Affirmations are a powerful tool, but taking inspired action is equally important. As you work with your affirmations, be alert to opportunities that arise and act on them. The universe often provides the means to achieve your desires. But it's up to you to take the necessary steps to make them a reality. Be kind to yourself throughout this journey. Manifestation is as much about personal growth as it is about achieving specific goals. There will be ups and downs, and that's perfectly okay. Stay committed to your practice. Maintain a positive outlook, and trust that you are on the path to manifesting your dreams. As you continue on this path, it's important to maintain a sense of curiosity and openness. When you approach affirmations and the law of attraction with an open mind, you're more likely to notice the subtle shifts and opportunities that come your way. This mindset allows you to adapt and grow as you manifest your desires. One effective way to reinforce your affirmations is to write them down regularly. Keeping a journal dedicated to your affirmations can help solidify your intentions. Each day, take a few moments to write your affirmations and reflect on any progress you've made. This practice not only reinforces your goals, but also serves as a tangible record of your journey. In addition to writing and speaking your affirmations, consider incorporating them into your daily routines. Place sticky notes with your affirmations on your bathroom mirror, refrigerator, or computer. These constant reminders help keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, reinforcing the positive changes you're working towards. Another technique to amplify the power of affirmations is to incorporate them into your physical activities. Whether you're exercising, walking, or even doing household chores, repeat your affirmations. The combination of physical movement and positive statements can create a powerful synergy, boosting your overall energy and focus. Affirmations can also be incorporated into your morning and evening routines. Start your day by affirming positive outcomes and setting intentions for what you wish to accomplish. At night, use affirmations to express gratitude for the day's achievements and set a positive tone for the following day. This practice helps bookend your day with positivity and purpose. Engaging your senses can deepen the impact of your affirmations. Try using visual aids like vision boards to complement your verbal affirmations. Collect images and words that represent your goals and aspirations and arrange them on a board where you can see them daily. This visual representation reinforces your affirmations and keeps your goals vividly in your manai pinton. Affirmations are not just about repeating words, they are about feeling the emotions behind those words. When you say your affirmations, try to feel the joy, excitement, and satisfaction as if you've already achieved your goals. This emotional connection can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. And it's also valuable to share your affirmations and goals with a trusted friend or mentor. Having someone to support and encourage you can boost your confidence and accountability. Sharing your journey with others can provide valuable feedback and additional perspectives that can help you stay motivated and on track. While working with affirmations, it's essential to stay flexible and patient. Manifestation is a process, and sometimes things may not unfold exactly as you envisioned. Trust that the universe has its timing and that everything will align perfectly when the time is right. Stay open to unexpected opportunities and be willing to adjust your affirmations as needed. Incorporating positive self-talk into your daily life can also support your affirmation practice. Pay attention to the way you speak to yourself throughout the day. Replace self-critical thoughts with empowering statements. Affirm your worth, capabilities, and potential regularly, building a strong foundation of self-belief. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle can further enhance the power of your affirmations. Ensure you're taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Practices such as healthy eating, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mindfulness can support a positive mindset and increase your overall energy levels, making your affirmations more effective. Engaging in acts of kindness and generosity can also amplify your affirmations. When you give to others and spread positivity, you create a ripple effect that often returns to you in unexpected ways. Acts of kindness align you with a higher vibration, which can attract more positive experiences into your life. Reflecting on past successes and moments of gratitude can reinforce your belief in the power of affirmations. Take time to acknowledge how far you've come and celebrate the milestones you've achieved. This reflection can provide motivation and confidence as you continue to work towards your goals. Incorporating meditation into your routine can also complement your affirmation practice. Meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. During meditation, you can repeat your affirmations or visualize your desired outcomes, deepening your connection to your goals. As you continue to use affirmations, be mindful of any internal resistance that arises. Sometimes deep-seated beliefs or fears can surface when you start affirming positive changes. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment and work through them with compassion and patience. Overcoming this resistance is part of the process and can lead to even greater personal growth.
As you continue to practice these powerful techniques, keep faith in the process and remain open to the possibilities that come your way. Manifestation is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and belief. Stick with it, and you'll start to see the changes in your life. If this content has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and tips on manifesting your desires. Your support helps keep this valuable information coming. Keep practicing your affirmations and watch as your life transforms.